In this lesson, let's learn about factorization and the sum of cubes. 因数分解3乗の和 Factorize 8x cubed plus 27 using the sum of cubes formula. First, let us transform 8x cubed plus 27. Let's find what cube plus cube is. Doing so, we get a equals 2x and b equals 3. Finally, let us apply the formula and calculate. Now let's do some practice. Press the pause button and try to solve the practice problem. Once you are finished, press the resume button and mark what you got correct. Now let's check our answers. The answer to number 1 is parentheses, x plus 2 parentheses times parentheses, x squared minus 2x plus 4 parentheses. The answer to number 2 is parentheses, 4x plus 3 parentheses, parentheses 16x squared minus 12x plus 9 parentheses. Were you able to answer both questions correctly? Finally, let's review what we have learned. Factorize 8x cubed plus 27 using the sum of cubes formula. First, let us transform 8x cubed plus 27. Let us find what cube plus cube is. Doing so, we get a equals 2x and b equals 3. Finally, let us apply the formula and calculate. That concludes this lesson.